Hello beautiful souls! Welcome back to our channel, and for today's video, nakita nyo nga sa ating title, How do I avoid getting wrinkles at my age of 42 years old? And I'm ready to share my tips, mga habits na ginagawa ko, skincare, and everything else. So if you're interested to know, please keep on watching. Grabe guys, ang init today. So, kakaligo ko lang. Medyo basa pa ang aking buhok. Nagkilay lang ako to film this video. So, ayan. Ating suot ang ating headband para clear ang ating face because I'm going to do my skincare. And part na rin ito ng mga ibabahagi ko sa inyo how I manage to avoid getting wrinkles. I have an ice roller here. So, I got this from the US, but I have a link for you down below. I found a facial roller sa Shopee, which is only 80 plus pesos or less. So, lalagyan nyo lang yun ng water, and then lalagyan nyo sa freezer, at paglabas nyo, meron na siyang ice, and you can roll it in your face. So, I do this every morning, or whenever I'm feeling really hot during the day. Pag nandito lang ako sa bahay, wala naman akong makeup, so I can face roll. Very effective siya. So, ganito siya yung face roller ko, and I put it in the freezer and get it in the morning, and I just roll it all over my face. Ayan, upwards motion para at least, diba, yung shape din ng ating face ay kanyang natatarget. So, ganyan. Tapos, here. Nakakatulong din to sa lymphatic drainage. I'm gonna make a separate video about that, guys. Yung facial lymphatic drainage, kasi marami ring health benefits yun. But, that's another topic na medyo mahaba. So, separate video na lang siya. So, ito ang aking ginagawa ever since I was in my 20s, guys. Ina-ice ko talaga yung face ko. Dati, wala pa akong ganito. So, I get ice from the freezer. I put it in a bimpo or a towelette or a tissue, and then yun yung inaano ko sa face ko. Ayoko kasi masyadong diretso yung ice sa face at first. I just roll it and then pababa here. At ngayong summer, guys, napaka-useful talaga nitong mga ice rollers because it refreshes you. Lagay mo sa neck. Ang sarap nung lamig niya. So, yan. Number 1 tip, use ice on your face. It actually helps my skin reduce the swelling. Number 2, madalas nagpo-form ang ating wrinkles dito sa my eye area pag nag-squint or nag-smile, ganyan. Di ba makikita dito yung wrinkles? Pakita ko sa inyo ng close-up. O, di ba? Wala pa ako masyadong wrinkles, and also sa forehead. Yan, wala pa masyado. So, I feel like this one really helps a lot. And my research also said, using eye cream is a big help if you don't, or if you want to avoid getting wrinkles in an early age, or to avoid getting a lot of wrinkles. So, this is the one that I'm currently using, and my current favorite. This is from Kind Skincare from JC Premier. Of course, I have the link for you. Ang sarap nito sa eyes, guys, kasi medyo minty siya, so nakaka-cool siya. Plus, it's very gentle. I love this one. So, ang tagal ko nang ginagamit ito, hindi pa rin siya nauubos, kaya sobrang sulit. So, ganyan siya sa loob. And then, what I do, of course, I just put a little bit under my eyes. Ayan. Ganyan siya. Tapos, sara lang natin. And then, I massage it upwards, like here. Until here siya, guys. Yan. So, I use my ring finger to massage it. So, I really take time doing this in the morning before my makeup or after I take a shower kung sa bahay lang naman ako. I still use eye cream. And of course, before sleeping. Ganun din siya. And if I have more time, I actually use a face roller na rose quartz also. Ang dami kong mga tools, guys. Talaga nag-i-invest ako for my skin. Because, wala lang. I'm a kikay that way. So, I have this rose quartz face roller. Ayan. I'll find the link for you. And if I have, then I'll put it down below again. So, yeah. I use the small one. Meron siyang malaki for your face. And then the small one is for the eye area naman. Para ma-cover niya. So, you can massage it using this. Just roll it like 8 times upwards. Ganyan. So, nahe-help niyang ma-penetrate lalo ng skin yung eye cream natin. Plus, yung upwards motion, it stretches your skin. So, para siyang eye lift. Diba? If you're doing it every day, it's really nice. And of course, importante rin na hindi lang mata ang ating nilalagyan ng moisture. So, you also have to use moisturizer every day. day cream in the morning and night cream at night. But this is my current favorite moisturizer, especially this summer, guys, because this is so lightweight. Hindi siya sticky. Like, sobrang love this one. So this is by Glow Recipe from Sephora. This is their watermelon pink juice moisturizer. Ang sarap nito sa mukha, guys. Hindi talaga siya malagkit. Lalo na ngayon. Diyos ko, grabe ang init. Ngayon, naka-aircon ako, 17 degrees. I opened the air conditioning 2 hours before I film. Namamawis pa rin ako ngayon. Ganun siya kainit talaga. Like 100 degrees. And we live here in the Cavite area pa na medyo mainit. So, ayun. So, I just put a little bit on my finger. And then, I rub it. And then, I just pat it all over my face to apply. Siyempre, guys, don't forget your neck. Kailangan din mo-moisturize yan. Yan. So, now I'm going to do the facial exercise na tinuro sa akin ng aking grandma. Very easy and simple lang to, guys, actually. So, the first thing that I do is like, ay parang sampal-sampal my face, sabi niya. To stimulate daw the blood in your face. So, like, brush it off, but with pressure. Like that. And then, use your fingers to pat dito sa my chin para matanggal ang mga double chin. So, parang facial exercise siya. And then, I found some videos about lymphatic drainage and facial yoga. Ginagawa talaga to, o diba, bonggay lola ko, alam niyo yung mga ganyan. I was in high school, so that was like in the 90s, so, bongga. Okay. So, after the patting, she said, I should use my 2 fingers to put it here sa temples and then stretch it. Like this. So, para magiging parang line lang yung eyes. Like this. So, I do that. And then, after that, baba ko lang dito sa my cheeks and then do the same thing. And baba na naman here and do the same thing. So, I do it mga 8 times pag magmamadali, pero like mga 20 kapag I have more time. Okay. And then after that, do something with your lips. Ito yung nakakatawang part. Sabi ni Lola, gumanon-ganon daw parang. Make silly faces, parang ganon. Ganon, yung parang i-stretch yung mukha or, di ba, parang tayong stretching sa katawan, yung mga ganyan-ganyan. And it's actually a way to stretch your face, like do silly faces. And that's it. Of course, another tip is to use sunscreen. So, kapag fully absorbed na yung moisturizer mo sa face, it's time to put your sunscreen. Very important, guys. Sun damage can contribute to wrinkles, so this is one step you should never ever skip. I always say this even on my past videos. So, this is my current favorite, Cerise Beauty Tinted Moisturizer kapag aalis ng bahay. Pero pag hindi, I just use the regular sunscreen with Kakadu. So, sobrang ganda nun, guys. Ang ganda sa skin. So, this one I'm gonna use today because we're leaving the house. And I'm gonna use this as my base for my powder. Hindi na ako mag-foundation kasi ang init. Grabe talaga ngayon, hindi kakayanin. So, this is also, you can follow this one also, yung ginawa ko skincare and this one, ngayong summer, para hindi masyadong malagkit sa mukha. So, a little will do. So, 2-finger method, of course. Ayan. Medyo runny ng konti to, guys. So, make sure to, alog-alog it. So, I just put it all over. I love this one, guys. Ang daling i-blend. Kita nyo naman, nag-blend agad sa skin. Hindi siya namumuo. And I just love how this sunscreen feels on my face. Ayan. Okay, so while I am putting this sunscreen all over my face, let me talk about some other ways you can avoid wrinkles. Syempre, guys, sleep. Malaki talagang factor makatanda ang kulang sa tulog at puyat. Also, hindi siya maganda sa health. So, as much as possible, if you can, if time permits, rest and get enough sleep. Also, nutrition. So, make sure not to eat a lot of junk. diba, nakakadagdag sa inflammation ng ating katawan. So, focus on eating fruits and vegetables. Ako, guilty ako dyan kasi when I'm stressed, syempre hindi may iwasan ng buhay na sa stress ka. I eat a lot of chocolates and whatever, but I try to remind myself every day to at least drink a lot of water, which is very important din, guys, sa ating skin. Akala natin ang wrinkles is because not enough skincare lang or whatever. It also factors in. I guess that's it for our topic for today. Pero before I go, I also wanna show you this one, guys. Yung aking favorite blusher at the moment. Sobrang ganda nito, guys. I swear. Like, nakaka-fresh and everything. I'm going to make a separate video of my favorite blushers na sobrang mura. This one is only 55 pesos, guys. And I found the blusher also for 35 pesos. Oh my god. Sobrang ganda ng mga blusher recos ko, and I'm gonna make that video very soon, and also my sunscreen recommendations as well. So, abangan nyo yung mga videos na yan. But before I go, I just wanna show you real quick how this blusher goes. So, ayan. Before I put on my powder. So, konting-konti lang yung kinuha ko. As you can see, it's less than a pea size. So, hatiin ko na yan for both of my cheeks. So, ayan, ganyan. Lagay ko lang siya, and then I blend it upwards para maganda yung ano ng blush. Nakaka-pull ng face up, nakakaliit ng face. Yan, and then sa kabilang side naman. This actually changes color according to your skin. So, it will complement your skin kung ano man yung kulay na lalabas sa kanya. So, just like, kita nyo, nagkakaroon na siya ng pinkish na tint. So, ayan. Tapos na tayo, guys, sa ating video. Additional tip lang to, guys, if you want to get this. Of course, the link is down below. But, thank you so much for watching this video, everybody. Thank you for staying with me. I hope, guys, na mabigyan niyo ako ng feedback kung effective din sa inyo yung mga facial massage, eyes, rolling your face, ganyan. But, I do hope you like this video, everybody. And until our next video, God bless, love, light, and peace. Bye. Oh, ganda ng blush. Love it.